We got our basketballs. Let's hope maybe a daisy make it free. I think you gotta Let's make some more shake flags, Daisy. That's a great idea. The twinkles and dark with a twinkle of fear. You can change your clothes shape. Just see your shapes made. Points and look triangle. Sprinkle just a twinkle. It's a triangle shape. It's lots of fun when you got something to do. Think of the shapes you can make. Say the name of the shape. I know star. Sprinkle just twinkle. And both the shape and your cloud are the same. This is wonderful.